What's going on, everybody? It's Proven here, back at it with another video, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I have just taken delivery of my brand new ASUS TUF Gaming VG289Q 4K gaming monitor. It's something which I've been waiting 6 weeks for. They've been out of stock everywhere for some reason, but anyway, it's finally here. What I'm going to do today, guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. I will admit it's not something I normally upload to the channel, but it's something I thought I'd do. So if picture quality, if sound's not the best, guys, it is being recorded straight off my phone, so I apologise if it's not the best. However, without further ado, guys, let's get straight into the video. But actually, before we do, if you enjoy this video, guys, a thumbs up will be muchly appreciated. Consider subscribing to see more content like this in the future. So, guys, let's get started. So this is basically a 28-inch 4K monitor. I bought it in preparation for the PS5 when that gets released. Well, it's already released, but of course, as people will know, in the UK at the minute, it is out of stock everywhere. It's pretty much almost impossible to get hold of one, except for going on eBay and paying ridiculous prices, which I absolutely refuse to do, and too rightly so. So I've got it in preparation for that. The only thing is that it only goes up to 60 Hertz, which the PS5 goes up to 120. So that's my only sort of concern with it, really, is that I'm not going to be getting the full benefit from the PS5 out of it. But we'll see how it goes. But without further ado, guys, I'm going to get the knife of shame here. So I'm just gonna slice this open. So basically, I'm gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna give sort of like a first impressions on. So we'll unbox it, and then we'll see what's inside, and then we'll plug it in, and then I'll also give a first impression for you guys as well. I'll probably most likely plug it into the PS4 and see how we get on. So anyway, let's see what's inside here. I don't have a tripod, unfortunately, guys, so if it's a bit, I'm trying to hold the camera as still as possible. So we have, I don't know, that is just not much use, but I think these are just the stuff, I think, to just sort of put together, I think. But that's I think, is that probably a HDMI lead, I think. And we've got the power lead. So I'm just going to put everything down here for now, just until I think that's an EU plug, which we do not need. And then we have some instructions, I think that is. I think this is probably the. I'm just going to have to lay this box down, actually. Just bear with us, guys. Pull out some of this awful polystyrene. And this is this is the stand, I think, which it goes on. You've got the TUF Gaming logo in the right hand corner there. Very nice. So I think for this bit, guys, I'm gonna have to put the camera down a minute, and I'll be back to you. I'm just gonna have to pull it out, I think. But anyway, bear with us. I had to put the camera down to actually get that out of the box then. But there we go. We've got our GB plug now. So as I say, the EU plug's going to be meaningless, obviously, in the UK. But anyway, here we come now to the. Let's put that in there. Sorry about the mess down there. So now we come to the actual monitor itself, which actually, pull this out here, and looks like it is fully adjustable as well, which is looks pretty decent. Move that out of the way. Just get all this off as well. Just chuck that in the box. Get all this protective stuff off it. So it's fully let's say, by the looks of it, you can fully, yeah, there we go. So you can either have it horizontal or you can have it vertical as well. So this actually moves, and that I would imagine then goes into, you then go into here. So first impressions, guys, I really do like the look of it. Let's get that off a minute. I might have to edit some of this out. So there we are. Must say, first impressions, guys, it looks pretty decent, I'm not going to lie. That does look good. So there we go. That is all the stuff that comes in the box with the monitor itself. You get the stand, you obviously got your power lead. I imagine that's just a little cover to put on somewhere, as I say. One HDMI lead, some instructions. I don't know why you need instructions for a monitor, but there you go. So guys, I'm going to get this plugged in. In fact, actually, before we do, let's have a quick look at the back of it. So you've got, by the looks of it, you've got two HDMI ports there. I don't know what that is, to be fair. And I imagine that's your audio in, and a little headphone jack there as well, which is just there. So that's what you see on the bottom of it. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get this plugged in, and I'll be back with you guys once I've done that, and then we'll get it fired up, and I'll give you a first impressions of the picture quality straight out of the box. So we'll get there, guys, in 3, 2, 1. And just like that. Okay, so of course, people, regular viewers of my channel wouldn't normally see this, but this, of course, just get rid of that. This, of course, is where all the magic happens. This is where I do all my streaming. This is where I do my videos. But anyway, guys, right out of the box, it's not bad, actually. This is with HDR off, by the way. For some reason, it's not detecting a HDR signal. It might be because I'm just on a normal PS4. I'm not on the PS4 Pro, which is unfortunate. But hopefully, guys, we'll be getting a PS5 soon. Fingers crossed. So we'll have all of that to look forward to. So I can't test out the 4K or HDR yet, but this is just a bit of an out of the box sort of first impression sort of thing. And first impressions, it's actually pretty good. I mean, I'm coming from a 10-year-old 720p Panasonic TV, so to me it's going to be 10 times better. So this is in full 1080p. As I say, HDR off, but there's only a couple of things so far that I don't like about it. So it's the first thing is that you can't quite see. However, these where your HDMI ports and your power or your stuff is sort of like underneath here, which when you're plugging it all in is a bit of a pain. It is very fiddly, should I say. But apart from that, it's good, you know. And also, the other thing I don't like about it, I'll just move this forward around a little bit, is that you've got these, all your controls are sort of like on the side of it. So when you're trying to sort of select certain things, it can be a little bit tricky at times. But let me show you some of the display features. So we go down to, I think it's actually no exit from there. Then we actually come to game visual. You've actually got certain modes. So you've got scenery mode, you've got racing mode, you've got a cinema mode, which I'll imagine for when you're watching a film. You've even got a first-person shooter mode, which is pretty cool, I think. So this you just have to sort of adjust it depending on what sort of game you're playing or what you're actually using the monitor for. But out of the box, I think it's actually pretty good. So there has been reports of some people saying that the HDR feature is very underwhelming. Of course, I'm yet to actually see that, so I can't comment on it. But we're just loaded on GTA Online, which is of course people who watch my channel it's the one game that I stream. It's the one game that I stream, and it's the game that I mainly play. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it so far. So I think what I'll do, I'm going to use it for about a month or two, then I will do another video explaining on how, on what it's actually like once I've used it a little bit. But yeah, so guys, I think that's going to wrap things up. If you enjoyed the video, guys, a thumbs up would be muchly appreciated. Also consider subscribing to see more content like this in the future. And also, if you do that, do not forget to hit the bell icon, turn on all notifications, so you do not miss a single upload. As I say, guys, I do a lot of GTA Online content, so if this is your first time on the channel, definitely go and check the content out if you are into that sort of thing. But for now, guys, thank you all very much for watching. Stay safe out there, and I will see you all on the next video.